Now, if you want to share a screen video where you want to be part of the story where you're sending it out to someone, maybe I want to do a LinkedIn outreach video. Okay, I'm going to use the Chrome extension. It sits right up here at the top. Going to open it up. There I am on the screen. Now, when I hit record, here's kind of what this would look like, just in terms of a general outreach. Hey, Ruben, this is Rob. I saw your profile over here on LinkedIn, and I want to send you this quick video because I noticed some things within your profile that I thought were really engaging. We actually have a few things in common. So again, confidence, little smile, little wave, little point. That's going to be the repeating GIF that Ruben sees. And again, I'm on his page. So there's a lot of engaging stuff just within the GIF. And then once I said hello, I went down to the menu bar down at the bottom, and I clicked full screen. So throughout this video, when I want to make a point about something, why not jump to full screen? It exudes that confidence because you're the expert on the things that you're sending and you're giving your take on it. So use that feature. Now, I have the ability to change sizes here. Medium's pretty good. I kind of like to go a little bit smaller to be part of the story here. The Ruben sees his profile, his background. I'm part of what's happening on the page. I can also change my shape. I can go square, I can go rectangle. I'm going to stay circle because LinkedIn uses circles for their profile. I want to match the feel of the page. So think about these web pages when you want to share them. What do they look like aesthetically? I can also click this button here, use my headshot. I can click it again and just do an audio walkthrough. So I have a lot of options just visually right away. I'm going to use the annotation tool so you can see how we can kind of highlight the page here. And guess what? Teleprompter right here as well. So this will keep you confident because you'll have the words in front of you as you are showing something on your screen that you're sharing, something of value. So I'm going to click this here. I'm going to control my speed down here at the bottom. I can manipulate the sides here so I can make it thinner or wider if I need to. And I can move it wherever I'd like. In this case, right by the camera. So when I want to use the teleprompter for a screen recording like this, I would hit record. And I just leave a little bit of space at the top so I can tap this and bring it forward. You just don't want to go full screen on your browser because it will just hide the tab. So leave a little bit of a gap. Mine's kind of bigger, but leave a little spot, tap it forward, and it's right there in front of you for you to read. You also have the ability to move around. I can scroll and move and all this kind of good stuff. I can hit the pause button down here to stop the video. Maybe I want to say my hellos, right? Take it piece by piece. Scroll down, say, okay, I'm going to set myself up right here, and then just click resume on the menu bar. So there's no rush when you're doing these. Just take your time, whatever you're most comfortable with.